Hi, I need help because my father coughs a lot at night and cannot sleep.
I see. Does he have a dry cough or does he have phlegm?
It is a dry cough, and he says his throat is very itchy.
Is he currently taking any medicine for high blood pressure?
Yes, he takes medication for his heart every morning.
That might be the cause, but for now, this syrup will soothe his throat.
That sounds good. How much should he take?
He should take 10 milliliters right before going to bed.
Thank you. And what if the cough does not stop?
If it lasts for more than a week, you should take him to see a doctor.